favorite snack, a yellow banana in a pack. He tugged and pulled with all his might, but the peel was stuck on tight. He scratched his head, gave it a stare. Why won't this banana play fair? He shook it left, he shook it right, but the peel stayed closed. Oh, what a sight! He tried to bite but slipped and fell. Ouch! This banana's tough as a shell. Monkey pouted, sat on the ground. How would he get the peel unbound? Then he had a brilliant plan. He asked his buddy Toucan Dan. Dan flew in with a clever peck, and the banana popped open. What the heck? Monkey laughed and took a bite. Wow, this tastes just right. Now every time he needs a treat, he calls Toucan Dan to help him eat.